Hello, hi, how are you doing? So I'm currently in Narok and I would like to show you my room before I settle in. So this is how my room looks like. Enjoy. It's going for 800 Kenyan shillings per night. Yeah, so enjoy. Bye. So when you get in, that's the door. That's how it looks like. Then we have a window there. It's a sliding window, sorry. And then we have this is how it looks, so you can slide it wide open. I don't have the energy right now, but yeah, basically you can slide the window. Yeah, so this is how this side looks like. Then this is the other side. We have a dustbin over there, and then we have a socket. Then that is like a resting chair you can sit on. So that's how it looks. Then we have this light here. Yeah. That's where you switch sheets. Yeah. So that's how it looks on that side. And then there's a bed here. So we have a bin, and then we have the socket, then the chair, then the bed. The bed looks big enough. So that's the bed. And then when you come straight on, we have the closet. These are my stuff. So nothing is there. And then I just came in, so I have my bag, the bag that I'll be putting my electronics, and then the handbag. Yeah, basically that's how the closet looks like. So let me close this. So that's the closet. That's how it looks like. Then when you turn on this side, on the left, I have a bathroom. And I also have a mirror over here. So hi, this is me. Then here we have the bathroom. I love that the room is very clean. So we have hot shower. Then on this side we have a sink. So basically that's how my room looks like. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.